Safety First Easy Install Extra Tall and Wide Baby Gate with Pressure Mount Fastening, Pack of 1. This Safety First Baby Gate is designed to provide additional height protection and is great for homes with babies and pets. It can be adjusted to fit wide doorways and openings ranging from 29 to 47 inches wide. Pressure-mounted installation requires no tools, drilling, or hardware and allows for setting up this extra-wide baby gate quickly and easily indoors or pass-through areas. The SecureTech pressure indicator tells you at a glance when the gate's pressure needs adjusting for extra safety. Easily create a safe space for children in your home or when visiting family and friends by using this 36-inch high adjustable baby gate in doorways, hallways, staircases, and more. Includes one pressure-mounted baby gate. JPMA certified baby gate meets ASTM standards for safety and includes a 1-year limited warranty. When the SecureTech indicator turns red, it's time to readjust the pressure. Safety First believes parenting should have fewer worries and more joyful moments, so you enjoy every first your child experiences. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.